Jonathan from Katy has a question about a dryer duct.
Well, it's in his parents' laundry room.
Good place for it?
I think so. Jonathan writes, the dryer duct goes through, is clogged, they say, somewhere in the middle of the vent tube leading outside. The problem is that the laundry room is near the center of the first floor, and the vent exits out on the side of the house between the first and second story. Get the picture?
Got it.
They had somebody come out, and they wanted to cut through all the drywall to clean it out. And Jonathan wants to know, who'd you recommend to do this? Because some of the people were like talking about cutting holes and making a mess, and he's wondered, is there a better way?
Yeah, chimney sweeps, people that do those kind of things, they have brushes that go up into those dryer ducts. So I would call someone like a chimney sweep first, Lord's Chimney, see if they'll do it for you. But they have the same equipment they use for all kinds of ducts for fireplaces, because they're metal ducts today too, and they can sometimes do a little offset and whatnot. So they usually just use brushes. Tearing it apart like that, unless you've got some kind of glued thing in there, it's not going to help you at all. So call a chimney sweep and see if they can help you first.
And if you have a glued something in the dryer duct,
then
I question your laundry acumen.
Exactly.
Okay.
So no, I think a chimney sweep, or anybody that does professional duct cleaning, and I don't mean air conditioning ducts. I mean,
you mean mallards and
the ducts like
ducts?
yeah, no, but there are companies out there that it's part of their repertoire.
Right, but we would recommend you start with Lord's.
Oh, I would. Yeah,
right.
I think it'll be a piece of cake for them.
All right, you got a question? We'd be happy to serve you up an answer. So just go ahead and send it to us. Use the Ask Tom form at HomeShowRadio.com. We'll answer it like these videos over yonder.
Ding.